Yo, what's up everybody? My name's Dalton. Welcome back to another episode of Garage 99. Today we are doing a bunch of cooling stuff. We got a ton of new silicone hoses. Got a new thermostat. We're switching over the radiator. This is the old one. We already pulled the new radiator. And 2 new cooling fans. And we're also going to switch the intake out because this one's like brand new. So we're going to get to it. I don't know. This cap tells me that this might not be a good situation. It is dark and brown, and it kind of smells like coffee. I'm not sure if that's oil or what, but that is not what coolant's supposed to look like. So once we get everything done, I'm gonna do a coolant flush, and then I'll put good fluid in. I'm gonna go from there. Take this one off, put this one back on, same size. Guys, be sure to always cut away from yourself. Alright, there's one more down. Now here's the moment of truth. I don't think there's a thermostat in this housing because it takes so long to heat up, and then when it does, it overheats. So I'm calling no thermostat in this, or it's bad and it's stuck open, one of the two. Alright, that will come free, so we're going to hit it with a hammer. Alright, broke it free. And there's the problem. This thermostat snapped on the shaft and broke, so it was very stuck open. There was nothing there. There might as well not even have been one in here. And this is an 85, 88 degrees Celsius, so I think it's a 2-stage. All right, now here's the other housing with the extra thermostat. We're gonna keep this as an extra, but we do have a brand new one. As crummy as these things look, I'm actually just gonna clean them off and put them right back in because they should be good. They came off easier than the other car. Just use a wire wheel and go ahead and clean the threads out. Alright, now we are replacing the radiator fans and the radiator from the radiator on the other car. To pop the fans off, 2 10mm bolts on the top and 2 10mm bolts on the bottom. You have to remove the top, you only have to loosen the bottom because you pull it off the top ones and slide it out of the bottom. Also, don't forget to undo your clips. These are individual fans. There's one holding each fan in. Also, don't forget to bleed because you will bleed a lot. If you really like your car, don't bleed all over your car. Unless your car is red, and then you're trying to get that really nice blood red color. Alright, we'll do the 4 on the bottom. Just loosen them, don't pull them out. This out, it really hurts. Alright, then once you have those loosened up on the bottom, you can go ahead and pull both the fans out. We're going to be carefully pulling these out because we don't know if our other ones are in better condition or not. Odds are they are. Yeah, this one actually is cracked at the bottom here. That's not good. Okay, I don't think there's anything, not even any bolts or screws or nothing holding this radiator in. And if I'm correct, I should be able to pop it right out. Unless there is some at the bottom. Yep, there's a 10 on each side. seem to be having an issue here. The part that came out on the other car is not coming out on this car. It's the brackets that hold the thing in are still attached. I don't think they're supposed to be. Yeah, I can't go anywhere with this bracket still here. I'm not really sure what's holding the bracket on. Looks like there's a 12 holding it on. Daisy then. This is the old radiator, the new one, from the other car. These are the old fans, cracked, beaten up. These are the new ones. A little dusty, but they'll clean up. Anyways, that's what we need. I'm gonna set those right here. I gotta clean all this up so my dog don't eat it, because it'll hurt. I don't want to do that to her. Alright, so it has been a couple days. This is not my GoPro, this is actually my brand new phone. My GoPro is currently being sent out to get a new one. There's an upgrade program. I'm not going to go into it, but it should be here eventually. I did finish the whole install. It's the exact same, but in reverse motion of what I did before. Got the new radiator, got all the hoses, with the new overflow tank, new window washer fluid tank. Put the whole new intake on. Everything looks really good in here. Put the new NGK spark plugs and wire kit on here. Did it all in the right order. Took it for a test drive. I've been driving this thing around for a couple days and everything seems to be working fine. No overheating problems. I got good heat. Next step is we just got this new Hard Dog roll bar. I would say new, but it's not. It's actually used. Got it for half the price you would a brand new one. They didn't know much about it. I think it's a hardcore M1, so it's gonna sit up further and a little higher. And then we also got some lights. So those are the two next videos. If you wanna see that, I'm gonna try and record that today. It'll be out eventually. If you wanna see all this stuff, guys, don't forget to subscribe. On that note, I'm gonna get to this one and this video for today. Peace out, keep turning those gears.